welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing New Year's Eve makeup. Pretty much gonna try to do something with the eyes, a little something with the lips. Still have to go to work today. Also, I'm going out tonight, so I don't want to have to like put on makeup when I'm coming back home, changing, and then having to go back out. Like, I already have no idea what I'm gonna wear, so I'm like, let me just do my makeup now. So enough waffling, let's get into the makeup. First, I just want you guys to check in with yourselves, see how you're doing, and comment down below the date, time, and how you're feeling, your thoughts and feelings. People maybe get anxious about New Year's, not knowing exactly their resolutions or how they're going to fulfill those resolutions and achieve them. But I just want you to know that you are doing amazing so far. There's no need to change what you're doing. All you need to do is just be consistent, and you will be happier. You know, you will be happier with yourself for just keeping up with what you're doing. So just keep it up. You're doing great. And let's get into the makeup. First, we are going to be doing our primer. And now let's go in with concealer, the Color Fix Nudes collection. They also have a Color Fix matte colors. They have some shimmers. So I'm just going to blend that in. Here. I was eating treacherous. I do like this lip though. Okay. What an adventure. Finishing touches, inner eye corner. Always gotta have her. I'm gonna do my edges, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna come back from work and then change, and I'll show you guys the fit. Let me know in the comments down below what your New Year's resolutions are going to be. If you feel comfortable sharing those, great. If not, you're gonna listen to mine. I kind of went really fast. I was really mute because I have to go to work, so I'm like, I'm gonna type my New Year's resolutions in the comments, hopefully give you guys some ideas. And then also, if you guys have any questions about what I use, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in the next video. ttyl XOX.
A few moments later.